Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the post notifications too while you're at it. If you're new here, hi, I'm Brie. Today we are going to be going hygiene shopping just because I'm running low on some of my items, and obviously we need to buy some new ones because we can't be looking and feeling musty. So let's go to Target. May I please have a grande white iced mocha?
Is whipped cream okay?
Yes, please. Alright, thank you. Okay, so I just got my coffee. I ordered a white iced wine, a grande iced white mocha. I panicked. I didn't know what to order. If you guys have like any good Starbucks recommendations, let me know. But I have a list here of what I'm going to purchase because we just ran out of body wash, so I'm not sure which one necessarily to get. Here's my list. Hopefully you can find everything on here. They have it here. Okay, I've been seeing these everywhere, but I'm not sure if they're actually worth the hype. Are these worth the hype? Let me know. Should I buy it? Let's see how good this smells first of all. Smells good. Wow, why is it pink? I look when I eat it. Smells really good. I don't know guys, but $16 is kind of steep. You guys, I'm shy. There's too many people at this Target right now. But I found this one, and it smells good. I haven't had a Tree Hut in forever, but I'm willing to try them again. This is the vanilla smell. You guys, I feel so odd. There's so many people here. Like, why is everyone and their mama not at school or work right now? Do I need any makeup? They are currently stocking up the next aisle over, and I need to get some stuff there, but I feel so awkward heading over that area. What do I do? But here we are, being little boss ladies. Cheers. Actually, I want to search for a tongue scraper. I don't know if they would have one here, but definitely worth a try to look. Hopefully they have one. They have like little plastic ones, but I'm looking for like a metal one. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find one here, but I do need a new toothpaste. Maybe I'll just get the 3D Radiant Notes. I think I'm gonna end up getting this one. Add that to the cart. Me and my boyfriend are actually overdue for some new toothbrushes. I heard that these ones are really good. We should give these a try. These ones are soft ones. Okay, we're gonna grab these. For body wash, I think I'm gonna go for this one here, kind of matching the vanilla scheme that's going on. As far as the oil goes, I don't see any oils here. Oh wait, right here? Okay, they have a couple options. $7.99. Boy, I can do my own oil. I'll rub olive oil on me if I need to. We got our exfoliant. We got that part. What else do I need? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, deodorant. Yep, that's a big one. Okay, need to find deodorant. I don't like any that smell. So I like the little spray ones, but don't think I see any that don't have smell so far. Unless this one is, oh no, that's coconut. Dry spray, beauty finish. But does it have smell? I don't. Okay. See, the thing is, I really like these ones just because I feel like I don't always love these ones just because I feel like it gets all over my clothes, so sometimes this kind of helps, but at the same time, this is really tiny. Have they always been this small? Oh well, I guess we'll add it to the cart. We're gonna try to get a quick thumbnail. I look really stupid, but let's keep going. I just realized I'm missing dry shampoo, so we're going to go look for that. Okay, I think I just got everything that I needed. I feel like I probably spent a lot more than I need to. That tends to be the theme all the time I come to Target, so well, I guess. Okay, bag is secured. Total ended up being $73, which was a little steep for what I actually